Hey, this is Tom from AB Split Test, and this is a walkthrough of our new Heatmaps feature. If you've ever been frustrated with your standard analytics, not knowing really how people are interacting with your site or using your site, Heatmaps are for you. It gives you a visual representation of how everything is working or not working on your site, and lets you gauge people's interest based on what is on the site. Now, Heatmaps are the first level that show you where people are clicking overall. You can also use scroll maps to see how far down the page people do or don't go. There's also special types of heat maps. So we've got rage click maps that detect when people furiously click the screen in anger, and dead click maps showing you what people are clicking on that don't go anywhere or do anything. A lot of the time this shows people's intent or what they're reading or interested in, or just shows what people think is a button but isn't. If you've got split tests running, you can also filter it based on the individual tests and test variations here. So you'll see we're testing our hero download button, the start free button up here, and you'll see it's gotten a few clicks. But if we check out some other variations, you'll see it has not been as popular at all. So we can see when we're looking at this hero download button test that not as many people are clicking on download compared to a start free. Now we could go to our other homepage variation that is currently running, and we can check out what the heat maps are doing for these variations as well. Okay, we'll see start free is looking good. Free download has next to no interest. Same thing, again, download, no clicks. So just in a couple of seconds of looking at our heat maps, we've discovered that people aren't as interested in downloading the AB Split Test plugin. They're more interested in starting split testing and getting into it. Now that might seem like a small change in text, but over time that can add up to a big change in conversion rate. So now that you've seen heat maps in action, let me show you how to set them up. Once you've installed the AB Split Test plugin and you're on our Teams plan, simply head over to the settings and activate heat maps. Down here we'll see enable heat maps, and we'll check that box. Now we've got that checked, it means that anyone that sees a split test that is running on your site will also have heat maps logged for their journey. If you have some pages in your funnel that you want to just collect all the data for no matter what, that's what this box here is for. So we can go and we can choose a few pages in our funnel. Okay, so now we've set it up here so that we will always record heat maps for anyone that visits the home page, the pricing page, or our checkout page. Customers, logged out people, subscribers, they all get recorded. Admins, editors, authors do not. That is all you have to do. Hit save settings and your heat maps will begin logging. Now, AB Split Test heat maps run completely locally on your WordPress install. There's no remote servers, no remote cookies, nothing to get blocked. So you get the most accurate information instantly. That means you can have unlimited visits, unlimited variations, whatever you want, unlimited heat map recordings. The sky is the limit. We also do have a cookie consent mode, and by enabling that, it does not send a single bit of data or save anything until the user has clicked consent in any one of the popular cookie consent tools. If you're not on our Teams plan and you want to try out heat maps, you can simply go to your settings page and click Activate 7-Day Trial of the heat maps. From there, you'll get this exact experience, collecting unlimited data for 7 days. So head on over to the website absplittest.com and start free. Click the button and enjoy a 7-day free trial of our heat maps, privacy-friendly AB split testing, and AI-guided split test assistance.